How to get KFC coupon codes for free chicken. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get free chicken from KFC by using coupon codes. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The process is really simple. Open up a web browser. What we'll need to do is search for the coupon codes. To search for it, head over to a website called worthepenny.com. This is the website. I'll show it to you guys. And after you here tap on the search bar, all you have to do is type in the name of the store, that is KFC, and hit enter. After you do that, here you will see different options available. Now, this is not 100% sure that you will be getting the free chicken option every time, but yeah, you can come back here, search for it again every day because these are refreshed every day. So simply search, and there you can see there you can get different options. You can also get discounts. Choose whichever you want, and it will give you the coupon code, which you can use on your KFC. And with that, you should be getting your free chicken if there is a free chicken option available right here. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.